Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how I fix this weavon. This is called classic and you can get it at the market. There are different colors. We have the black, we have the wine, and we also have brown. This particular color that I'm using is the mixture of 613 and also 27. So I have started fixing it here. The material used in this video is the dummy head, the net, the stand, the needle and thread. So these are what I use to make the fixing. So this video will really help you if it is your first time trying to fix your hair and probably you're a beginner still finding it difficult. Just follow this step and try it by yourself. So I love making use of this needle and thread because anytime I want to take down the weave on, it will be more easier for me compared to making use of the normal machine method. So this method is so easy and it's very fast, and it didn't take me up to 15 minutes before finishing everything. So in this video I'm making use of just one packet hair, and this hair you can get it at the market and it's very cheap, although it's a fiber synthetic hair, but a lot of people will not know once you are done depending on how you style it. So I'll be guiding you through this video on how I styled my own. I made it in form of fringe, although I can also pack it anyhow that I like or style it anyhow. And I bet you that once you are done and you are wearing this weave on, a lot of people will not even know that this is the actual price of the hair, because it's looking so natural, like normal natural human hair. And the price that I bought it, I'll be writing it in this caption so you can get it as well. Don't let them to call a huge price for you probably when you get to the market, because this is the fixed price of this particular weave-on. So this is still the third row that I am, and it's still looking as if the hair is plenty, right? But don't worry, it didn't take me up to 15 minutes to finish the whole process. So sit down, relax, and enjoy as I'll be putting you step by step on how I achieve this beautiful bouncing fringe style. And something again about this hair is that you can style it anyhow. So what do I mean by that? This style, probably you've worn this weave on for about a year and the curls has already gone. You know, I told you that this hair is just a synthetic fiber hair. Then this hair can come back to life. Look at this. This is what I revamped for one of my customers. She has used it for 2 years and she came with this style that she wants it to look more unique. Look at what I did to it. Can you see how beautiful it is looking? How bouncy it is looking? Well, the step by step of how I achieve this curl is on my page, so you can actually go and watch it once you are done with this. So I'm already halfway to the end, and this is where I'll be showing you how to join your thread and needle. Anytime that one has finished and you want to join a new one, just look at this process that I use. Instead of tying the new one, I will just take that one that I have cut and this one that I'm about to use. I'll just tie it together. Can you see the way that I'm knotting both of them? So that is how you will knot the two so that it's going to last long. Because when you just tie just one and you leave the other one, once you are brushing your hair, it might lead to falling off of the weave on. So once you are done joining together, just cut it. Can you see the way that I cut it? And you continue sewing it. So I'm already done with one bundle and this is the second bundle. This is how I detangle it. So you have to be careful whenever you are working with a fiber extension or weave on. This is how you detangle it. From the down part, you stroke your hand in between it, then you make sure that you are detangling it from the down part. So another thing is that anytime you are fixing your weave on, don't just take the whole four or fold it into four places. The best thing you can fold it to is just two. Can you see that I'm folding it just twice? So this is how it's going to be once you are done detangling it and opening it. So let's continue with the fixing. So this is the last bundle that I'll be using for this hair. If you don't want it like this, you can just make use of two bundles. But I will assure you that if you make use of the three bundle, you really love the outcome. And if you are the type that you love when your hair looks more bulky and heavy, you can make use of just 1.5 pack. So yeah, let me show you how I did this front part, and this is where the trick that I've been trying to explain earlier, I mean the arc that I want to show you, this is where I'll be applying it. So I'm finally done with the sewing part, and it is time for me to make that arc that I was telling you guys earlier. I can't wait to explain this part. Don't forget that when I showed you the packet hair when I started this video, it came with this closure. This is how I installed it. I'll be making use of the other part as it's going to be serving as the fringe. Yes, instead of turning it forward, I'll be turning it backward. So this is the perfect way you can achieve your fringe, and it's going to come out nicely. So just stay tuned to watch how I achieve this fringe. So that upper part, you start to stitch it underneath all those ones that I've been fixing already. Do you get? You'll be fixing that net. Can you see the way that I'm fixing it? So you have to be careful at this part. I actually made a simple mistake, although the mistake is not that obvious. I'm supposed to go in first with closure before I got to that stage, so that I'll be fixing all those extension on the net, but it's not that bad when I finish it. So I ensured that I fix it round, and when I was done, that excess net that I'm supposed to have fixed underneath the normal weave on, I just trimmed it and I cut it out. So when you are trying your own, you can go in first with your closure, or if you are making use of your 5x5 closure, you can actually try this method. But I would not say that you should do it for your frontal. Yes, don't do that for your frontal, because if you fix your frontal normally, like the normal way, you can actually style it anyhow you like. Although if I used opposite side, it will have come out differently, but I don't know, it's not going to come out like the way that I want. So this is the final look of how it is looking. So if you're first time joining this channel, kindly subscribe, like. Thank you so much for watching.